How can we explain what we cannot see? In order to build ourselves a better future, we must first take a closer look at the past. Norrköping's history as a port town stretches back to the 1600s, when businessman Louis de Jade settled in town and founded, among other things, a paper mill, textile industries, arms factories, and a dockyard. Since then, our prominent port town has continued to grow. Population increases and entire new districts are being planned and built. However, what was done yesterday must be taken care of today. We are developing the inner harbor to become a part of Norrköping's inner city, with housing, parks, and waterfront boardwalks. This new district rises where the old industries once stood, and due to the old industries, we can still find underground contaminants. To investigate what lies beneath the surface, we use the visualization tool Earth Autopsy. With the latest technology developed in Norrköping, we are able to see what caused this contamination, how widespread it is, and how we can take care of it. By juxtapositioning historical maps with data sets from the actual harbor area, which we assembled by drilling deep into the ground, we can now visualize contamination in a new way. This new and modern way of taking a look at the past makes it possible for everyone to understand how it is all connected. Earth Autopsy gives us an insight into our history, but above all, it helps us understand how to better build our future.